Excuse me?
That's quite a wrap you're wearing. Perhaps I could get you some new fluffy slippers from the heads of innocent and defenseless baby seals.
Who is this ghastly man?
It's Ventura, pet detective. And you must be the Monopoly guy. Hey, thanks for the free parking.
Another activist? McGuire? Activist, yes.
Activist.
Yes, Mr. Ventura. There's nothing wrong with enjoying the fruits of nature. You should try it sometimes.
Alrighty then. You know what? You're right. Do not press go. Do not pay your $200. It's lovely, but I fancy my auto. Like the gloves.